Read your last Notes app entry out loud.
Ruh-roh. Yo, it's a quote from my dad. I was talking to my friend Nat the other day, and Nat said, "You literally have the most beautiful eyes I've ever seen, except for maybe your dad."
Our mom also has really beautiful eyes.
100%. The most beautiful eyes ever for two parents. Anyway, I was telling my dad this, and my dad goes, "Your mom said I have bird eyes." And then he said, "And that I look like a baby dinosaur." She's like, "Yep." She's like, "Yeah,
She's filming also, as if there aren't 100 cameras trained on us. Mom's filming on her iPhone just to get that shot, the magic shot.
So that's real. You and I just released our latest project, Hit Me Hard and Soft.